Chia Seed Coconut Pudding with passion fruit glaze.
Yay!
So we'll start with 5 tablespoons of chia seeds. Then we take our coconut milk. And add it. Next, we'll mix the chia seeds into the coconut milk for 2 minutes. Next, we'll transfer the mixture into these ramekins. To make the pouring a little bit easier, we'll put it into this pitcher first. And then we'll put everything in the fridge for at least 3 hours or until it's completely set. Next, we're going to take about 6 passion fruit and cut them in 2, extract the seeds, the pulp, and the juice. And I like to cut not all the way through just because then it doesn't completely dump all over my cutting board. We've got this. I'll scoop that out. So we'll add the passion fruit to a small saucepan. And then add about 2.5 tablespoons of agave. Bring the mixture to a boil over medium heat. And then once it's boiling, immediately take it down to very low heat. Really more of a simmer now, and we'll cook it on very low heat for about 5 minutes. So after cooking for about 5 minutes, we've now got it reduced. It's sort of a glaze, and it'll coat your spoon, which is how you know it's ready to go. So now that the puddings have set, we'll take our passion fruit glaze, lay it across there. Hey,
We're back.
finished product.
Finish.
Yes.
Close up.
You can show.
Show up time.